everyone, welcome back. It's been a great time doing this series for you, and the last episode I did was the celery juice one. Got great feedback on it, everyone appreciated it, but I also learned that raw celery juice isn't for everybody, so I totally get that. In light of that, I think we're going to go in the opposite direction this week and make waffles. Really good. So there it is, waffles. I really hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed doing it for you, and looking forward to seeing you soon. In the meantime, enjoy the waffles. I can see why people would like this better than celery juice.